Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel EXP19 Access App Cap Assessment Student Loan 1.0. So if you want to complete assignments or exam, you can contact on my WhatsApp link and email. If you want to complete my IT Lab course, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint and Microsoft Access, we can do online courses, accounting, math, stat, finance, economics, writing and other courses. So I will guarantee you are 90 or 95 plus grade your assignment and your exam. So assignment title is EXP19 Access Chapter App Cap Assessment Student Loan. So next we move to the main page steps. Total step is 11. We move to the question number 1. So question number 1 is, to start, you have provided with the database the information technology department created. The database has one table. You will be importing an Excel spreadsheet into table and creating a primary key. Start access. Open the download access file name EXP19 Access Chapter 3 Cap Assessment Student Loan. So start access files. Open the download access EXP19 Access Chapter 3 Cap Assessment Student Loan. So I have already downloaded the EXP19 Access Chapter 3 Cap Assessment Student Loan. So question number 1 is complete and we move to the question number 2. So question number 2 is, import the Exploring Access Grader A1 client Excel workbook into table name client. While importing the data, make sure to select the option first row contain column heading and select the client ID as the primary key field. So next, import the Exploring Access Grader 1 client Excel workbook into table name clients. While the importing data, make sure to select the option first row contain column heading and select the client ID as the primary key field. So import the Excel files, go to the external data tabs, go to the import and link groups from Excel files, click browse, Exploring Access Grader A1 clients, click open and click OK. The table name is client. Click first row column heading. So next, click next, and while importing the data, make sure to select the option first row column, first row contain column. Click next and select the client ID primary key. Choose on my primary key client ID. Click next and table name clients and click finish. Click close. So question number 2 is complete and we move to the question number 3. So question number 3 is, Now that you have imported the data from the spreadsheet, you will modify the field property in the client tables and demonstrate sorting. Open the client table in design view and change the client ID field size to 6 and remove the @symbols client ID format property. Change the zip field size to 5. Open the client table design view. Right click and design view. Change the client ID field size to 6. Client ID field size to 6 and remove the symbols. And next, client ID format property, change the zip fields to next from the client ID format property and change the zip field size 5. Zip field size 5 and change the expected graduation field 0 decimals. Expected graduation field have to 0 decimal places. So 0 decimal places and delete the comment field. Add a new field name, last name. So next, delete the comment field. Right click and delete row. Click yes. Add a new field is lost contact. Add a new field name, lost contact. So lost field in the table and change the data type to datetime. And change the format shorted. Format is shorted. And switch the datasheet view. Apply the best fit to all column data. Switch the datasheet view and sort the table loan amount field in descending order. Then save and close the tables. So right click, datasheet view, click yes, and next apply the best fit to all column. Go to the home tabs and go to the record groups, field size and best fit, and sort the table loan amount descending order. Loan amount. Next, loan amount descending orders, and then save and close the tables. So right click, click save and close the tables. So question number 3 is complete, and we move to the question number 4. So question number 4 is, know that the table is imported and modified. You will create a relationship between the college and client tables. Open the relationship window, add the client and college table to the window and create a one-to-many relationship between the college ID field in the client and college tables. Enforce refreshing integrity between the two tables and select the CapAssessment update and CapAssessment delete option. So open the relationship window, add the client and collapse the tables to the window and create one-to-many relationship between the college ID field in the clients and college tables. So open the relationship window, go to the database tools and go to the relationship groups and relationship, add the client and college tables. Client and college tables to the window and create a one-to-many relationship between the college ID, client and college tables. So next, add the college ID. So college ID fields in the clients and college tables, and next info refreshing integrity between the two tables and select the CapAssessment update and CapAssessment deletes option. Save the change and close the relationship window. So next, select the info refresh integrity, CapAssessment update relative field and CapAssessment delete relationship. Click create, and next is save change and close the relationship window. So right click, click save and close the relationship window. So question number 4 is complete, and we move to the question number 5. So question number 5 is Pole, a stud financial advisor, would like your assistance in helping her find the certain information. You will create a query for her and demonstrate how she can change information. Create a new query using the design view from the client table. Add the last name, first name, email, phone, expected graduation fields in that order from the college table. Add the college name field, sort the query. So next, create a new query design view. Go to the create tabs and go to the queries group and click the query design. From the client tables, add the client tables. Client table, add the last name, first name, add the last name and first name, email, phone, and expected graduation field. In the order from the college tables, add the college tables. On the college table, add the college name, and sort the query last name and first name, both in the ascending order, and first name ascending order. last time and then first time both in ascending order, and set the criteria expected graduation, expected graduation, to 2019, and run the query. Save the query 2019 graduates and then close the query. So right click save and click OK and close the query. So question number 5 is complete. So if you want to complete assignments or exam, you can contact on my WhatsApp link and email. If you want to complete my IT lab course, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint and Microsoft Access, we can do online courses, accounting, math, stat, finance, economics, writing and other courses. So I will guarantee you a 90 or 95 plus grade your assignment and your exam.